Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in today's session, we are going to discuss poem 7 Kangaroos. The theme of the poem is animals and plants. So, here, kangaroos are hopty, kangaroos are fun. If you want to catch a kangaroo, you will really have to run. Kangaroos are jumpy, bounding over the plain. You can't hold down a kangaroo cause he will bounce up again. Kangaroos are tough guys. They can box as well. If a kangaroo should hit you, your head rings like a bell. Kangaroo moms are kindly. For their young, they have a pocket where babies can feed and feel quite safe while mom takes off like a rocket. So here this poem is about kangaroos. So here kangaroos are hopty, kangaroos are fun. If you want to catch a kangaroo, you will really have to run. So here kangaroos are hopty, that is they love to hop. And here they are always very funny. Kangaroos always have fun by hopping. And if we want to catch a kangaroo, what we have to do? We should really have to run to catch a kangaroo. It hops so fast, so to catch it, we have to run very fast. Next, second stanza. Kangaroos are jumpy, bounding over the plain. You, you can't hold down a kangaroo because you will bounce up again. Here, kangaroos, they'll jump and hop. So, bounding over the plain means they're leaping over the plain. They will jump. And you can't hold a kangaroo because he will bounce up again, that is he will jump again. When you try to catch a kangaroo, it jumps out from you. So to catch a kangaroo, you have to run very fast. Now even if you catch a kangaroo, you can't hold it because it also jumps away from your arms. That means bounce up again. Kangaroos are tough guys. They can box as well. If a kangaroo should hit you, your head rings like a bell. So, kangaroos are very, very, very tough. That is very hard, guys, because they can box as well. Box means they can hit us also. When we try to catch the kangaroos, they'll hit us. And if a kangaroo should hit you, your head rings like a bell. So, if they hit us, what happened here? It will punch you very strongly that our head will ring like a bell. Kangaroo moms are kindly. For their young, they have a pocket where babies can feed and feel quite safe while mom takes off like a rocket. Now, coming to us, it is a little bit kangaroos are funny, they will be happy, they like to jump, and when we want to catch a kangaroo, we have to run. So when we try to hold when we try to catch it, what happened here? We can't hold it because it jumps out of our arms, and it is so tough that if we try to hold it very tightly, even it can slap us. When it hit us or slap us, our head will ring like a bell. But coming to their young ones, that is to the kangaroos, are a very, very good mothers. They are so kind to their young ones that they'll have a pocket to their body. In the pocket, they'll put their young ones, their babies, and feed them, and they'll take a lot of care of their young ones. So while mom takes off like a rocket. So they feel very safe when they are in the pocket of their mom, and they will run away. They'll run along with their mother kangaroo like a rocket. As they feel that their mother runs like a rocket, and they'll be very safe in the pocket of their mother. So this is about the poem Kangaroo. This poem is written by John Cotton. Now let us discuss the poem in brief, children. Here, Kangaroos likes to hop. They are so fun. And when we want to catch a kangaroo, we have to run very fast. Now here, when we run very fast back of a kangaroo to catch it, here when we try to catch, what happened? We can't hold it because it bounced back again. And these are very tough that when we hardly try to hold it, they'll give a slap, and if they hit us, our head will ring like a bell. But whatever it may be for us, but kangaroos are a very good mother to their young ones. They put the babies in their pocket and they feed them, and the babies will feel very safe when they are there in their mother's pocket. And when the kangaroo runs like a rocket, the babies will feel very safe and happy. Okay, children, that is about the poem Kangaroos. Now, I'll show you the video of the poem. Watch the video and enjoy it, children.
Kangaroos. Kangaroos are hoppity. Kangaroos are fun. If you want to catch a kangaroo, you'll really have to run. Kangaroos are jumpy, bounding over the plain. You can't hold down a kangaroo, 'cause he'll bounce up again. Kangaroos are tough guys. They can box as well. If a kangaroo should hit you, your head rings like a bell. Kangaroo mums are kindly. For their young they have a pocket where babes can feed and feel quite safe while mum takes off like a rocket.
That is the video of the poem Kangaroos. Hope you all enjoyed the poem, children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read the poem Kangaroos. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.